So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. And if you're new here, make sure to watch till the end because every part of this tutorial is very important. Let's go. Step 1. Research inspiration. First, open YouTube and search for the channel Orange Cat YT. This channel focuses on cat-based stories, like barbershop scenes, helping people, fun adventures, and much more. They have 54.4K subscribers and over 85 videos, and all their thumbnails look clean, vibrant, and professional. Every video performs really well, and people, or especially kids, love this type of animated story content. So, take a good look at their thumbnails and note the overall style. Step 2. Collect reference images, screenshots of the most popular thumbnails from that channel, the ones that look the most professional and colorful. Once you have your screenshots, open ChatGPT, now upload one of the screenshots and say, "Please give me 10 image prompts based on this screenshot." ChatGPT will show you two options. Option 1, new funny scenes with the same cat style. Option 2, prompts for the same scenes shown in the screenshot. Select option 2, and then say, "Please make sure the cat character remains consistent in all images." Press enter, and boom. ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 high-quality image prompts for you. These prompts are detailed and designed for AI image tools, so you can directly use them to create scenes that look exactly like the ones in that screenshot. Save all the prompts. Safely, we'll use them in the next step. Step 3. Create AI images, detailed. Now it's time for the most exciting part. Creating AI-generated images using one of the best tools of 2025, called Higgsfield AI. I've added the link in the video description. Just click it, and it'll take you directly to the website. When you open the site, you'll notice a modern and clean interface. At the top, you'll see options like Explore, Image, Video, Edits, Assist, Apps, and more. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find Visual Effects and Higgsfield Apps. These are where the magic happens. To start, sign in using your Google account. It's super quick. Once you're logged in, Higgsfield gives you free daily credits that you can use to generate images or videos. Now, click on the Image section, then select Create Image. Here you'll see multiple AI models available, such as Higgsfield Sora, Nano, Bana, and WAN 2.2. Important tip: always use the WAN 2.2 model. This is the most advanced and consistent model for creating realistic and professional-looking AI images. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because that's perfect for YouTube videos. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, and paste it into the prompt box in Higgsfield AI. Then click Generate. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, and, oh my god, just look at that. The image looks so realistic and beautiful. It feels like it's from an actual animated film. The details, lighting, and colors are all perfect. And your cat character will look consistent across all scenes. Repeat the same process for all your 10 prompts. Each time, paste the prompt, click Generate, and download the final image once it's ready. After you've generated all the images, save them in one folder on your PC. These images will form the scenes for your animated story video. So that's how you can create professional-level AI story images for free using Higgsfield.ai. Step 4. Generate AI videos detailed. Now comes the most exciting step, turning those AI images into AI animated videos. On the Higgsfield homepage, click the Video section. Here, you'll find several advanced AI video generation models, but we'll be using Sora 2, which is currently one of the best AI video generators in 2025. It even includes sound, motion, and cinematic effects automatically. Click on Sora 2 to open the video generator. Now, you'll see a similar interface and just like the image generator. This time, upload one of the AI images you created earlier. In the prompt box, describe the motion you want in your video. For example, a cat walking slowly in a beautiful park, camera panning from left to right, cinematic lighting, soft background music, or, if your scene is dramatic, cat running across the street during sunset, camera zooms in slightly, cinematic 4K animation. After writing your prompt, select the duration. Between 5 to 10 seconds is perfect for each clip. Then set the resolution to 1080p Full HD for the best quality. Click on Generate, and in just 2-3 minutes, your video will be ready. And when you see the result, trust me, you'll be shocked. The cat moves naturally, the background feels alive, and the animation quality is absolutely stunning, all generated automatically by AI. Repeat this process for all your 10 images, and you'll have 10 professional-looking AI video clips ready to go. Make sure to save them all to your computer. This is why Higgsfield.ai is becoming one of the top-rated AI tools for creators in 2025. It gives you studio-quality results without spending a single dollar. Step 5. Edit and finalize. Your video now, it's time to put everything together. Open CapCut on your PC and import all the AI videos you generated using Higgsfield.ai. Drag them onto your timeline in the correct sequence. Add soft transitions between scenes to make them flow smoothly. You can also adjust brightness, contrast, and colors to make your video more vibrant. After that, add some background music and a voiceover if you want to tell a story. Finally, export your video in Full HD or 4K resolution for the best quality. And that's it. Your AI animated cat story video is ready. Final words, friends, just think about it. You created a fully animated AI story video using only one free tool, Higgsfield.ai Sora 2 model. That's crazy. So what are you waiting for? Start today. Make your own AI animated stories, upload them to YouTube, and grow your channel. This is one of the biggest opportunities for creators right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me bring more amazing AI tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.